What's up, everybody? My name is Scott and you're watching Kentucky Ballistics, and today we're gonna have some fun with this Smith & Wesson 460 Magnum with a 3.5-inch barrel. I cannot wait to blast some stuff with this thing, but before we do, I want to tell you about our sponsor, The Walking Dead No Man's Land. Sponsors like this are really important because they help keep the channel going, and you can support the channel by downloading The Walking Dead No Man's Land with my link in the description down below. The Walking Dead No Man's Land is the official mobile game of AMC's The Walking Dead. It's a turn-based action strategy game where you battle hordes of walkers with all your favorite The Walking Dead heroes, including Daryl, Rick, Negan, and Michonne. By building your camp and enlisting more survivors and heroes to join you, you'll become a force to be reckoned with. The Walking Dead is back for its 10th season, and Walking Dead No Man's Land will have weekly missions and content that go along with the new season. Everyone who downloads The Walking Dead No Man's Land using my link will get the free special weapon, the legendary Bloody Lucille. This is a turn-based game, so you get to make your move and the zombies get to make their move. It's kind of like a more exciting version of chess, and I gotta say, it's pretty addicting.
Are you playing that game?
No, I'm just driving.
Golly, dude.
Get over. Dude, what do you want to start out with?
Just whatever you want to put on there.
Okay. Scott.
What do you want? You're breaking my focus. You're breaking my focus.
Hey man, I'm gonna need a little help right here.
Oh gosh. I'm sorry.
Scott, you gonna hang it up?
Oh man! So again, if you want to support the channel and you want to get Lucille as a playable weapon, download The Walking Dead No Man's Land using my link in the description down below. So like I said, today we have the Smith & Wesson 460 Magnum Performance Center with a 3.5-inch barrel. This is a 5-shot revolver, and what's really cool about it is it shoots 460 Magnum, 454 Casull, or 45 Colt. This is for hunting, bear protection, things like that. I'm really excited to try it out. I'm sure it has quite a kick. I brought several different things for us to shoot today, but as usual, we're gonna start out with some steel. I have a shootsteel.com target set up about 10 yards back. Let's take a few shots at that and get started. Okay, so we have some Underwood ammo. These are 460 Magnum, 240 grain jacketed hollow points. Let's see what she's got. Oh my goodness. All right, we got 4 more shots. Woo. Man, that is a handful. That poor piece of steel. Okay, I'm loaded back up. Let's try a little bit of one-handed shooting. Woo. Let's kick it down a notch and try out some 45 Colt. This will probably feel like a pea shooter compared to that. 45 Colt after 460 Magnum, that's a huge, huge difference. That's like going from a Corvette down to like a little Dodge Neon. That is nothing in that gun, absolutely nothing. Okay, now let's try out the middle ground. We did 460 Magnum, 45 Colt. How about 454 Casull? This should have some pop. Oh yeah, that's got a lot more pop than the 45 Colt. Not as much heat as the 460 Magnum though. I like this gun. All right, I'm gonna take this down. So I brought several different things to shoot, and I'm thinking we could take a shot with the 460, 454 Casull, and then 45 Colt and see what our differences are. And as usual, I think we're gonna start out with watermelon time. Oh my goodness. There's nothing left of that watermelon. Now 454. Oh. That exploded the watermelon pretty good too. Dang it. No. 45 Colt. Oh. Well, that was cute. Get over there. All right, now let's bust up these water jugs. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 454. Woo. That did a pretty good job too. Now for the 45 Colt. Oh. Pew pew. All right, what else we got? How about some red cabbage? Oh. All right, 454. Wow. Now 45 Colt. Oh. Now I got some pineapples. Okay. Well then, let's see how 454 does. Pretty good job. Now a little 45 long. Oh. Saving the worst for last. Eggplant. These deserve to be shot up close. Woo! Did you see that fireball? Yes, we hit it. We did. See? It just didn't have a very good reaction. Nobody likes eggplant. It's starting to get dark, so now let's see if we can capture some pretty cool fireballs. Blinded by the light. So I have to say I really like the 460 Smith & Wesson Magnum, and I like the 3.5-inch barrel. It has a lot of kick, but I don't mind the recoil. The recoil is stout, so if this is something you were shooting for the first time, I would definitely start out with some 45 Colt and then work your way up to some 460 Magnum. And you know what? This would actually make a pretty good gun in the zombie apocalypse. It's really powerful and it's versatile. You can shoot 460, 454, or 45 Colt. So if you're scavenging for ammo and you find one of the three, you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure and give it a like. And if you're not already subscribed to Kentucky Ballistics, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell for notifications. And while you're at it, share today's video with a friend. Also, be sure to check out Kentucky Ballistics clothing and check me out on Patreon, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Links to all those can be found in the description down below or on my website, KentuckyBallistics.com. Again, my name is Scott. Thank you so much for watching Kentucky Ballistics, and I'll see you next time.